Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever missed an important email or calendar reminder because Outlook didn't alert you, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to turn on notifications in Outlook step by step in under 2 minutes. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to customize your alerts without getting overwhelmed by constant pop-ups. First, open your browser and go to outlook.com. You can also search Microsoft 365 Outlook if that's easier. Once you're there, click Sign In and enter your email address and password to access your account. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it to open the quick settings sidebar. At the bottom of this sidebar, click on View All Outlook Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can manage every detail of your Outlook experience. Next, go to the General category in the left-hand menu, and from there, choose Notifications. You'll see options to turn on alerts for new emails, calendar events, and reminders. If you want Outlook to notify you directly on your desktop, make sure to also allow browser notifications when prompted. Toggle everything you want on, and you're good to go. Before closing, don't forget this crucial step. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. If you skip this, all your changes will be lost, so make sure to hit that Save button. And that's it. You've just enabled Outlook notifications, so now you'll never miss another important message or meeting again. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Outlook or productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.